너무 맛있겠다. 너무 맛있겠다. 너무 맛있겠다.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Level Up Korean with K-Dramas. Spring has arrived in Korea and the cherry blossoms are in full bloom. It's the perfect season to enjoy beautiful weather, pretty views, and of course, delicious food. Last time, we learned this line from Secretary Eunho.
여기 정말 집밥같이 나오네요.
It means, this really looks like home-cooked food. He brought CEO Ji-yoon to a warm and cozy restaurant that serves food just like a homemade meal. Let's continue the story. When the food arrives, Yoon-ho looks at the dishes with sparkling eyes and says,
너무 맛있겠다.
너무 맛있겠다.
this means it looks so delicious. Let's break it down.
너무
Means so or very,
맛있다.
means to be delicious, and
겠다.
is used to express expectation or assumption. The speaker is admiring how good the food looks and assuming it tastes just as good. So,
너무 맛있겠다.
means it must be so delicious, or more naturally, this looks so delicious. If you want to say it more politely, you can say,
너무 맛있겠네요.
this is a soft and respectful way to say, that looks tasty, or it must be delicious. It combines
겠다.
for assumption and
네요.
for realization or impression. Here's a polite example sentence.
사진 보니까 너무 맛있겠네요.
You might say this when looking at someone's food post on social media or a menu. Now let's practice pronunciation.
너무 맛있겠다. 너무 맛있겠다. 너무 맛있겠다. 너무 맛있겠다.
Let's also touch on the grammar. The expression
겠다.
is used to show assumption or expectation, like saying it must be or it looks like. It's commonly used in the TOPIK test, especially when describing food, feelings, or intentions. Want to review today's lesson? Download the free PDF in the description or pinned comment below. It includes today's dialogue, grammar tips. What's coming next? In the next scene, after Yuno says,
너무 맛있겠다.
he then says,
어서 드세요.
this means, please go ahead and eat. A short but very polite and useful phrase that's great for everyday Korean. Next time, we'll show you how to use it naturally.
여기 정말 집밥같이 나오네요. 너무 맛있겠다. 어서 드세요.
Thanks for watching Level Up Korean with K-Dramas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and grab your free PDF. So, what season are you in right now? Whatever season you're in, I hope you're doing well and staying cozy. I'll see you next time.